How to upload longer videos to Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you wish to upload longer videos to Instagram stories without splitting them, then watch the video till the end. Without further ado, let's begin. Here I will teach you to upload videos longer than 15 seconds. For that, head to Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right. Now search for Instagram. Open it and make sure it is the latest version. If there is any updates, you simply need to update it. Now tap open to access Instagram. Here you can easily swipe to open the Instagram camera and then tap on the story icon at bottom. Now you should see a pop-up message saying you can now upload longer stories. You can either record a new video or upload one from your camera roll. Instagram will now allow you to upload videos longer than 15 seconds without splitting them. So you can add any story and then upload a 54 seconds video, for example, and it won't split like before. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.